Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today I've got a beautiful 3D card to share with you. This was sent to me as a gift to check out and share, and it is just beautiful. So this is a beautiful 5x7 size. It does come with a white envelope for mailing. Check out how beautiful it is. This has a nice little sheen to it. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but let's check it out. When you open it up, look how beautiful that is. You've got a cute couple dancing, little silhouette, and a little heart tree with a little love swing. Lots of space to customize your card. It even has a space here. If you don't want to write on this part, it does have a blank card inside that you can customize your stuff here. Or if you want to add a gift card or anything, you could totally put that in there as well. But loving this card. I love this card. It is such a beautiful way to celebrate love, anniversary, or any occasion. This is not marked specifically for any occasion, so you could really use this for any time you need to celebrate a little love and romance. So hoping you enjoy this card as much as I do.